stream doesn't come through, I might have to come back to you guys on Wednesday because I'm having a lot of technical difficulties at the moment. It is just quite unmanageable at the moment, but I'm still trying. DogeCoin is looking strong still, holding at 32.3. We did have a run up to 32.75. Bitcoin is still below $37,000, so Bitcoin has not made it to 37,000 yet. But I think that 40,000 is right around the corner for Bitcoin, so the cryptocurrency market should be having a rally quite soon. Well, I think I was on an article and the stream just got disconnected for some reason. I'll have to look over my internet once again to see why exactly this is happening. So the next article I was going to go over is AMC versus DogeCoin, which is the bigger pump and dump, and they're quoting the AMC stock as a pump and dump scheme, which is quite interesting because AMC is a legitimate business and company that produces capital and in your ear and stop you from purchasing DogeCoin. Beginning in January, retail investors on Reddit's Wall Street Bets chat room began piling into stocks with high levels of short interest with the sole purpose of effecting a short squeeze. Since the majority of short sellers are institutional investors, this trade took on the feel of David versus Goliath battle. And it definitely is, because we're still in much of a battle with AMC and a lot of these other memes currencies. Head to the moon, many of which have no business whatsoever. Retail traders have taken to Reddit and Twitter to spread information about company actions and operating results. I hope I didn't one that is tangible, and you have to print money all the time, and the government just does not seem as though it's stopping the printing of money anytime soon. Okay, I think I'm still going. Hopefully it wasn't too choppy. Yeah, I really need to figure out what exactly is wrong with the stream and why it's not coming through. It's giving me a little bit of a headache. But I love coming on, giving you guys information about cryptocurrency, giving you the correct information about cryptocurrency. So just remember that cryptocurrency will not make you rich overnight unless you have a large amount to invest in the market. But other than that, we do just take every day as it comes, dollar cost averaging, buying a little bit here, a little bit there, and over time seeing your investment grow. This is what a lot of people were doing with Bitcoin when Bitcoin was only $1 and below. They were just steadily buying Bitcoin, getting as much as they possibly could, and now Bitcoin is well over $30,000. So having a long-term conviction on your investment is very, very important. That does work too in the stock market. I mean, you're not invested in the stock market for 2 or 3 months. Ideally, you're in the stock market for a couple years. So investing, getting into that mindset of investing and not just trading. Trading is still a quick way to make money in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency markets. But the pace of cryptocurrency does take a while. It takes a little bit of time for billions and billions of dollars to get into the market of DogeCoin and other cryptocurrencies. But having the market cap pushed up to 100 billion is very, very possible in the near future. I do not think that DogeCoin will stop at $1. I think we will go well past $1, as we made it to 74 cents, which was amazing for DogeCoin. But that was just a pit stop. That was a pit stop for where DogeCoin is actually going, which is well over $1. I do believe that we'll be seeing some very, very interesting price movements for DogeCoin coming within the next few years. I do want to repeat that, in the next few years. It takes a couple of years in order to gain momentum in your cryptocurrency, whether that be use cases or transacting in it, sending it to people. All of those things have to be in combination in order for the market cap to actually start to increase. But I have gotten into mining lately, and I might actually think about mining DogeCoin because it is on the script, or with the script technology, so you can mine Litecoin and DogeCoin at the same time. So you can cryptocurrencies by mining for DogeCoin. So eToro, the app added DogeCoin because of its large and loud fan base. DogeCoin does have a very large and loud fan base, as we're spread out all over the world. A comment from Roy. Thank you for joining me. Hello. Thank you for joining Gracey209. I'm not sure if my video is still having difficulty at the moment, but if it is, bear with me. I will be trying to get it together for my live stream on Wednesday. Okay, so eToro said it added DogeCoin on its app because of its large and loud fan base, and notes Shiba Inu coins similarly passionate following. Yes, Shiba Inu does have a passionate following, but it's nowhere near DogeCoin, and DogeCoin has been around for a while. DogeCoin has been around since like 2013. So it's been some time, 8 or 9 years that Dogecoin's actually been out. So it's one of the older cryptocurrencies. It's been out for a while. So these other cryptocurrencies that are just coming out, saying that they are better than Dogecoin, they're definitely not better than Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is still looking quite strong, holding at 32.5. We are right below that run up we had today at 32.75. And Bitcoin is right at $37,000. So it's right below that area of resistance that Bitcoin is being met with. Roy, no one here. Yeah, I know, Roy. I'm trying to get the video down. I'm not too sure why it's not coming through correctly. I have to figure that out. I'm not too sure why. It's saying that the stream isn't coming through for some reason. It was saying that last week when I was streaming on Friday, and I made like a regular video. I didn't make a live stream. I made like a short 1-minute video about Dogecoin. It was pretty funny because I watched it over like 10 times. I do like to watch my own videos. But anyway, yeah, if the stream isn't coming through correctly, I apologize. That'll be better. But until then, we'll just chart Dogecoin as we're still above 32 cents. This is the next 3.8 is next in a for its price action. Keep in mind, we're still 40 cents off, 10 high, so Dogecoin has to look and still have high to have. It would have been more if Bitcoin didn't like have a correction from 64,000 to 3,000. So it's pretty a correction of Bitcoin. Things are moving a little bit sideways. We're not having too much of a run up and go back to it, which we there's so much news about these big banks and getting into cryptocurrency, but then does cryptocurrency is just ridiculous. It's just them trying to hold on to the small of the power. And having control over money is having control over the population. And always using money. And since people have money in their hand now, you have power in their kids. A lot of people still do not have their private, but having your private keys is very, very important to keep custody of your money. If an exchange doesn't allow you to sell, it allows you to buy, then you can deposit your crypto somewhere else and transact in it that way. So you can move your digital assets around very easily. That is pretty point on Robinhood or etc. I hope I typed correctly, even though I did freeze for a moment. Well, this is a new computer. I missed my Apple computer. My Apple computer was a little old, but it worked a lot better. So I actually do not like iPhones. I have an iPhone, but I actually don't like iPhones. They're difficult to work sometimes, and but I do like the Apple computer. Okay, did I come through again? Did I come through now? I'm not sure if I did. Bear with me here. Okay, I think I'm coming through. All right, I'll try and go for a little longer. As the markets are still in a nice run up, I'll try and continue for a little bit longer, give you guys a little bit more of a live stream. So let me see if I can get the music playing again. Yeah, I'm really not too sure what's going on. All right, well, DogeCoin holding at 32.80. Really good price actions for DogeCoin at the moment. Get the music back up. All right. All right, I didn't want to leave you guys just yet. Okay. Hopefully I'm coming through clearly or not so clearly. However clearly it is, thank you for joining me. I'm trying quite hard to get the stream running smoothly. Okay, we're looking nice, looking very nice. DogeCoin at 32.7. Bitcoin still above, sorry, at $37,000. I think the news from eToro happened quite quickly, as all we need is Coinbase adding DogeCoin and some of these other platforms adding DogeCoin, and that should really help with the price action, because a lot of people still do not have access to DogeCoin. They can't purchase DogeCoin from their platform, like how DogeCoin is listed on Coinbase, but you cannot actually trade it. Oh, this was a good one here. Why the White House is looking into DogeCoin. Yes, I said that correctly. The White House is looking into DogeCoin. Specifically, the Biden administration is looking into any potential gaps in the cryptocurrency market, whether it can be used to finance illicit or terrorist activities. That's total FUD. That is complete FUD. However, sources told the Washington Post that federal regulators do not see the wild swings in crypto markets as likely to threaten the broader stability of financial markets. I just love when FUD articles come out, because that just gives more legitimacy to DogeCoin and other cryptocurrencies. It just makes people want to buy them even more when people start like investigating them, like how the whole investigation with XRP and the SEC investigation and stuff like that. XRP actually increased in value after the whole investigation from the SEC. So just having this negativity, seeing that DogeCoin is used for illicit activities, is just going to give even more potential to the price actions that we're having. So here, per Market Watch, the cryptocurrency market has a volatile stretch in recent weeks as different cryptocurrencies have garnered more attention from business, investors, and social media. At the same time, it's led to huge spikes in prices as well as large dips. According to Forbes, the major cryptocurrencies out there, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even DogeCoin, have all plummeted in recent days because of, well, Bitcoin. Investors in Bitcoin are looking into selling their holdings, which has led other cryptocurrencies to fall as well. And I did mention this before, the price actions of Bitcoin will determine where your cryptocurrency is going. So if Bitcoin is having a hard correction, the other cryptocurrencies are going to follow. And Bitcoin above $37,000, that is why we're seeing some very, very nice price actions for DogeCoin. Currently holding at 32.80. Doge Democracy! Oh my god! No, oh my god, you guys. Shout out to Doge Democracy. I miss Doge Democracy so much. Thank you so much for joining me, Doge Democracy. I am just so boring on my live streams without anyone else here. And I think my computer is having a little bit of difficulty again. So I missed my Apple computer because it was a lot faster, I think. So I'm not sure why my stream isn't actually coming through correctly, but thank you so much for joining me at Doge Democracy. It's so nice to have you here. Shout out to Doge Democracy, everyone. Doge Democracy has been here since the beginning of my live streams back in January or February, actually. I started live streaming in February, but I was making videos back in January. To think I was actually about to close out my live stream because of the technical difficulties, I will just continue pushing forward even if the video is lagging a bit. But we're having a really, really nice day for the crypto markets. I have never seen such nice price actions happening right after a correction. So after Bitcoin had the correction down to 30,000, we went back up to 40,000 and then back down to 33,000. So a lot of people are still calling for a Bitcoin being in a bear market. And I do not think that we are in any way in a bear market. The cryptocurrency markets are still very much in a bull market. If we were in a bear market, I think Bitcoin would have fell to the high or the mid $20,000 range. I think that would have been very, very likely if we were actually in a bear market. So do not believe the FUD out there. If you are strong and if you have a strong conviction behind your investment, then just HODL. HODL for the moon, because nobody else can tell you exactly where the price of your cryptocurrency is going to go. Alright, you guys, I think I'm almost back. Bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me. Alright, I think I'm back. Yeah, it's definitely my Wi-Fi because all of my other devices disconnect from my Wi-Fi like at the same time. So I'm not too sure why that keeps happening. I'm definitely going to call the internet company after I finish this stream to see why exactly that's happening. Because I want things to come through smoothly for you guys. I don't want any choppiness in the live stream. So I do apologize if the stream is not coming through correctly. Okay, I think I'm back. Alright. Alright. The markets are looking good. Yesterday we were actually still in the red, I think. So to be in the green today is pretty good. It's really good. So you can see how quickly the markets move. If you're negative, you can actually become positive just within a few hours. It doesn't take too long for the markets to increase in value, as a lot of money is being poured into the crypto markets. I myself included, steadily increasing my portfolio position, it seems like every other day. But I wouldn't say I'm addicted. I'm not addicted yet. I probably was addicted when I first started investing because I basically couldn't sleep, and I was just up all night watching the markets, seeing where things were going to go and how much money I actually made from investing. But now I'm a lot more laid back, and wherever prices go, that's where prices go. I'm not too concerned if we have a correction or a pullback in the markets, as I have been through one full correction and two kind of corrections, but not so much. When Bitcoin was around $40,000 when we hit $40,000 for Bitcoin, and we had a pull down to, I think, $35,000. You know, that was kind of scary for me because I didn't really understand the crypto markets at that time, but now I do. So I'm not too concerned about the price actions we have. In a way, I'm excited for corrections because that just gives you a nice buying opportunity to buy your cryptocurrency at a cheaper price value, which is important if you have the long-term outlook on your holdings and you want to steadily get a nice entry. So try not to buy cryptocurrencies when they're in the green, even if you do have the capital. So if you do have the capital on the side and the crypto markets are green and you're like, okay, like things are not coming down, you know, things are just going to keep going up forever, just wait a little longer. Wait 15 minutes, wait a day if you can, just to see exactly where the prices are going to go. Because the next day, you can actually have a correction. And then had you bought in the market before you had the correction, then you don't have any capital left to actually buy that dip. So try not to spend all of your crypto investments at once. Just dollar cost average a small amount every single time you see a pullback, which is very, very important. I have started to buy the dips, so I have gotten a lot more patient with my purchases. And I am purchasing DogeCoin when we do have those pullbacks. But I mean, now I'm just like not concerned about where DogeCoin is because I've seen DogeCoin at 74 cents, and this is basically a half discount from 74 cents, well, 40 cents away from 74 cents. So we're still quite a ways away from making that 74-cent price value. But if things are still coming through choppy, I do apologize. I will be calling my internet company tonight to see exactly why the Wi-Fi isn't displaying my streams correctly. Because I don't think it's the computer. Like, this is a brand new computer, so it shouldn't be my computer, I think. I'm not too good with technology, but I'm pretty sure it's not my computer. All right, so we're looking good. DogeCoin having a slight pullback at 32.7. 33 cents is right around the corner, so do not be too shy of DogeCoin making 33 cents by this evening. Bitcoin, I think, will have a little bit of difficulty trying to capture $40,000, as the whales might actually try to push Bitcoin down just so they can accumulate more. That really is the game that these whales are playing. They push the price of cryptocurrencies down just so they can accumulate more. And then when you're buying into the market, you're like, okay, like I'm buying in, you know, we're not going to have a correction. And then the correction comes and all of your money is in the crypto markets. So you do have to make sure that you allocated some capital on the side ready to buy that dip. I cannot stress that enough. There have been countless times where we were in the red and I didn't have any money to buy back in my position or just any more cryptocurrencies. And, you know, I really wanted to. There's a lot of good discount in the market still. But I basically used all of my capital to buy at higher price values, which you want to get out of the how do you say? Get out of the movement of buying in the green. You want to buy when there's blood in the streets. When there's blood in the streets, that's when you want to go all in and buy every single, well, not every single crypto, but buy as much as you can financially afford at that moment. Because when it comes back up, then you can have a nice a nice return on your investment. But I think we might be hitting the $36,000 region for Bitcoin again, just because we've been dealing with so much selling pressure for Bitcoin lately. I don't think that Bitcoin will be holding $37,000 that strongly, unfortunately. I know we would love for Bitcoin to hold $37,000, but I do think we will be having further corrections back down to 36,000. So be prepared for that. Just be prepared for the markets to correct. All right, let's see if I can go over one more article, and I'll let you guys get back to your Monday afternoon. Okay, so we got the news of the White House getting into DogeCoin. We have eToro adding DogeCoin on their platform. We have AMC trading along with DogeCoin. So I just love the movement of these meme stocks. I know Jim Cramer was talking about a few other meme stocks, saying how we should not just be eyeing one stock at a time like AMC. We should try to tackle multiple stocks, trying to short squeeze multiple stocks. So Roblox was one of them, and Naked Brand was one of them. Okay, so I did FOMO in on Naked Brand, and I am holding some Naked stock, only because I heard Jim Cramer talking about it, saying how there could be a possible short squeeze with people shorting the stock. So I will not be missing out on that opportunity if Naked does have a nice run up, and it's only 50 cents per share, so it's definitely possible for that to happen. So we should try many different ways of making money, not only in the crypto markets, but as well as the stock market. There are plenty of money-making opportunities if we have our ears open. But I'm very excited to see where AMC is going to go. I'm not selling my AMC anytime soon. Maybe if we make it to $100 per share, I might actually liquidate some of my position, because I'm still up over 100% on my AMC, which is amazing. I've been holding it since below $10, and I will steadily continue buying if I can. All right, so Bitcoin might be tapping $36,000 again. Hopefully, we don't go too far below into the mid 36,000 range, but it is still very, very possible. We have to time our investments correctly, knowing that when we have run ups, we're going to have run downs. So that is just a consolidation area and people selling off, taking profits. So then when people are taking those profits, that's when you want to jump in and start buying, start FOMO buying when things start to get very, very low. But Dogecoin with a slight pullback of 32.5. We had that run up to 32.75 a bit earlier. Or sorry, actually it was 33 cents. Dogecoin was right below 33 cents. I thought it was 32.75, but we actually passed that. So basically Dogecoin hit 33 cents. That is the next area of resistance that we do have. Right beyond 33 cents, we have another resistance area right at 35 cents. So if we do not have too many further corrections above 32 cents, I think there should not be too much selling pressure stopping us from making 35 cents again. As we do still have Elon Musk behind DogeCoin, even with his FUD in the market. I was a little upset with Elon Musk, and giving out that FUD for the crypto markets, and we just had that huge correction after he said he won't accept Bitcoin for Teslas. But who cares? Like, who cares if you cannot spend your Bitcoin to buy a Tesla? Like, Teslas are already overpriced, so why would you want to just buy something that's overpriced for you to just lose out money on your Bitcoin? Because when Bitcoin makes it to $1 million, you're going to be quite upset that you bought a Tesla with Bitcoin. Now, a Tesla with DogeCoin, now you got my attention. Using DogeCoin to buy vehicles and other items would be the next step forward for us. So if Tesla actually does flip a script and he accepts DogeCoin for payment, I think that will help the overall market cap of DogeCoin. I know we all want Win Lambo and Win Mansion, but we have to be very, very patient for the price actions to come. All right, so it's just about 3:45 in the afternoon. The crypto markets do seem to wake up in the evening, so I'm sure we will be seeing that 35-cent price value for DogeCoin, hopefully by tonight. If not, then we might have those further corrections back down to 30 cents, and it is possible to hit the high 29 cents, as we were in the 29 cent area for quite a while before DogeCoin actually got over 30 cents. So the below 32 cents is still not out of the realm. So do keep that in mind. It is still possible for us to pull back to 30 cents, maybe even 29 cents. And that is due in part of the value of DogeCoin. So if DogeCoin was only 5 cents still, we might only see DogeCoin drop down to 4 cents. But because DogeCoin is 32 cents, the volatile price actions are much more than that because the cryptocurrency is priced at a higher value. And that's why we see Bitcoin dropping $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, going up $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 because Bitcoin is at such a high price value. So you get a lot more volatility as your cryptocurrency starts to increase in value. And we like volatility. Volatility is when you can make the most amount of money, because when we have a very hard pullback, that is the perfect time to make your entry. So there's still a lot of FUD in the market. Do not trust the FUD. Try not to at least trust the FUD. I mean, it's hard hearing negativity about cryptocurrency, but that's just people not wanting you to buy, not wanting you to become successful because they know that cryptocurrency will be the main form of payment that we will be utilizing within the next few years. So there are still projections of Bitcoin in 2025 and beyond to make $1 million. I have heard some people talking about $5 million for Bitcoin, which is just crazy. I would love for Bitcoin to be at $5 million per Bitcoin. But that is in contrast to the current government's seems like an endless amount of money that they're printing. And eventually that money is going to have to go somewhere, and it's going into the crypto markets, which is a good thing. It's a good thing for people who have been invested for a long time. Okay, so here we go with Elon Musk again. Elon Musk joked that heating water with Dogecoin miners is a great idea, like using the excess energy that is produced with cryptocurrency and mining cryptocurrency, that you can use the mining of Dogecoin to heat water. I mean, that's pretty innovative if you think about it. If you have like a heating system or something to capture that heat, and then you have the mining process mining Dogecoin, and then that energy is then used to heat water or heat your home or something like that. So it's just renewing that energy that you're using to mine cryptocurrency, which is pretty efficient. I think that would be a huge step forward with the whole climate FUD that we have going around, saying that how much energy Bitcoin uses, and Bitcoin uses more energy than whole countries. Well, banks actually use more energy than whole countries, so that's something to keep in mind as well. So Elon Musk's social media posts have had an impact on cryptocurrency prices? No, really, you think? He has frequently boosted the value of Dogecoin with his posts. So that is what we want. We want Elon Musk to post nice and good tweets about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency, not putting out any negativity to make the price actually decrease. Despite the recent collapse of the cryptocurrency markets, which were largely blamed on Tesla, it appears the billionaire tycoon isn't in a mood to back down from tweeting about digital assets. So Elon Musk is continuing to tweet about cryptocurrency. Many investors had criticized that Elon Musk was trying to manipulate the crypto markets, but Elon Musk has ignored the request and again spoken about his favorite new cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. But he was joking about it. He didn't say anything negative about Dogecoin. He called an idea for a hot tub to harness the heat generated by during the mining process. So when you're mining cryptocurrency, it does generate a lot of heat. So Elon Musk is saying that you can use that heat to heat water, to heat a hot tub, to heat your shower and things like that, which is, I'm not going to lie, that's pretty innovative. That is pretty smart to actually use the mining energy to heat items in your home. So maybe if Elon Musk starts to integrate Dogecoin with payments and stuff, how Elon Musk has the Tesla houses, he can put mining processors in the Tesla homes, and you can use that excess heat to heat your water, to heat your your bathtub and stuff like that. So that actually would be a huge step forward for the crypto markets. So if Elon Musk is trying to integrate cryptocurrency with homes, that would be really, really interesting. So that wasn't too much of FUD from Elon Musk. It was some good, interesting news saying how you can use the heat from mining rigs to power certain items. So we're looking good still. We're looking very nice for the crypto markets. Bitcoin is below $37,000 once again. I did warn to watch out for Bitcoin falling back down to $36,000, the mid $36,000 region. We might even tap $35,000 again for Bitcoin. I know we don't want prices to decrease, but it is important to know that prices ultimately will decrease as there is just when there's so much buying pressure and people start to get too greedy in the markets, then that's when you do have those corrections and pullbacks and the price does decrease by a little. But this should be a really interesting week coming ahead, not only with the meme stocks of AMC, but we should have a nice week with cryptocurrency. I am seeing a nice week ahead for the month of June. All right, I think I read all of my articles. Try and see if there's any more news about cryptocurrency and what's going on. See if I can pull something up here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So the markets are looking nice. I will be concluding the live stream for this afternoon. Thank you all for joining me on this lovely Monday afternoon. I love coming on giving you guys live streams, even if my live stream isn't coming through correctly. Again, I will be calling my internet company to see exactly why my connection isn't coming through. So, if you do not have your tickets for DogeCoin, it is not too late to hop on the DogeCoin train. We still have a long way to go for DogeCoin.